Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best mDesign bins available on the market. These are the mDesign plastic household storage organizer bins with an open dip front, part of the line collection. If you're looking for a versatile and durable solution to declutter your home, office, or playroom, these bins might just be the perfect fit. First off, let's talk about their design. These bins measure 10 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 7.75 inches high, giving you a generous amount of space to store a wide range of items. The square shape makes them ideal for fitting into furniture cube storage shelving units, but their tapered design also allows them to nest inside one another when not in use, saving space. One of the standout features is the open dip front. This design element allows you to easily reach in and grab what you need without having to remove the entire bin from a shelf or cubby. It's a smart, user-friendly touch that makes organizing and accessing your items quick and effortless. Made from durable, shatter-resistant plastic, these bins are built to last. They're lightweight, which makes moving them around simple, but they still feel sturdy enough to hold heavier items. The clear plastic material means you can instantly see what's inside without having to pull the bin out, which is perfect for keeping everything visible and accessible. When it comes to versatility, these bins really shine. They're not just for one room or purpose. Use them in your kitchen to organize pantry items like snacks, canned goods, or baking supplies. They work wonderfully in bedrooms or closets for storing hats, scarves, gloves, or accessories. For kids' rooms or playrooms, they're ideal for toys, books, puzzles, or building blocks like Legos. You can also use them in offices to keep supplies tidy or in craft rooms to organize materials. Cleaning these bins is simple too. Just wipe them down with mild soap and water when needed. Avoid putting them in the dishwasher to keep them in the best condition. This set comes with 8 bins, providing plenty of storage options to help create a clean, organized space. Whether you live in an apartment, a house, or even a dorm, these bins are compact yet spacious enough to maximize your storage capabilities. Overall, the mDesign plastic household storage organizer bins combine functionality, durability, and style. They help you transform cluttered areas into neat, easy-to-navigate spaces. The clear design keeps your belongings visible, and the open dip front makes retrieval effortless. If you're serious about organization and want a product that adapts to various needs around the home or workspace, these bins are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.